take a picture.
I can't.
Why?
I can't find you.
I'm right here.
Well, I don't see you.
Right here.
Oh, really? And what are those chips Kelly likes?
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea chips.
Can't put my head up.
Dad's recording you. Michael, go away!
Make the turkey get away.
Want some gravy on it? Want to have some gravy?
Kelly, you talk like your mother. You shout.
Christopher, can I interest you in a little gravy? There you go. It's all...
Hey, give me a claw part.
It's not a swap part.
There were no claws on the turkey.
Chris.
Okay, let's go. Let me see you eat a bite.
Okay, I got the claw part now.
Okay, go.